Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man, young DaveyMcFlyy, too wise man, in the Mob Museum with that fire, broski. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, we gotta get back to lacing them up and dropping off more reviews, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? This week had to take a set back off this channel, just chill a little bit, let this channel breathe. Been working on my other channels. Make sure you check out Mob Only Uncut. Make sure you check out I Love Bud, man. Funko Bros jumping too, man. I'm trying to get back active on all them joints. Yeah, I ain't show my address, but you know what I'm saying? Got a little packy pack from Nike. A little packy pack from Nike. And we got a Supreme unboxing too, bro. So let's see what we got. I'm trying to get my little resale stash up, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I make sure I'm in position to have them ones in the end of the year. So all the little stuff I'm kind of grabbing right now, if it's not for immediate use, you know what I'm saying? If I ain't throwing it directly on the body, I'm holding it for that play. So I won't even have to pay for my ones later on. And I know it's gonna be crazy, but up in the Supreme pack, boy, what? Man, I'm about to have the illest collection of Supreme accessories of all time. I'm keeping this. I'm definitely ain't gonna eat this. I'm gonna have to just keep it away from Rooster. But yeah, bro, I got the little Supreme candy rope necklace. Come on, man. How they hit me with the Supreme candy rope necklace? I'm trying to get back in focus. I hope I am. Shit, maybe not. I'm telling you, man, look. Still got Supreme Skittles, boy. You know what I'm saying? Got the Supreme brush over here, bro. I got a straight little collection of Supreme stuff, bro. Matter of fact, we ain't finished with them Supreme accessorized, boy. Check me out, boy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know, boy, my damn lips be ashy as hell. I be smoking like a fool, you know what I'm saying? I be blowing it down, you know what I mean? I be on that good gas. Check out I Love Bud. You see how I'm blowing it down? But yeah, boy, got me some of this chapstick too, boy, cause, man. Woo! I'm motherfucking, hey, boy, goddamn, buddy, you get bad around here. That's all, we gonna leave it at that. Couple of them too, you know what I'm saying? Hey, man, so I'm strapped around here, man. Hey, play those guys, boy. Yeah, we might do a giveaway with one of these joints. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, bro. I'm trying to get it back booming, man. The channel kind of died low key. I ain't gonna fight with y'all, you know what I'm saying? We've been struggling on this jump to get a bang off, but as soon as we get back moving and grooving, bro, you know I love to get shit away. So yeah, we get to jumping. You know what I mean? We're gonna be back in the game. Now, the piece that I picked up this week is the Northface joint. You know what I mean? Size large. I got the sketch tee, the Northface sketch tee. You can barely see the graphic. You really can't even see the graphic. Yeah. I'm gonna check out the resale price, probably throw it up on the screen, see what it's doing. Man, I don't really want to take it out the package right now, but I'm gonna definitely throw a graphic up in the picture so you can see what the t-shirt look like. But this is what I picked up for this week from Supreme, you know what I mean? You got some slaps, oh yeah. Hey, love that Supreme. Got a little sticker, man. We ain't even get a box logo this time. I guess they done giving out box logos. I got enough of them though, so I ain't tripping. But we did get this little sticker though. That's pretty cool. This little junk. I got enough box logos. I really ain't tripping. Yes, I am tripping, man. I want to buy another box logo sticker, right? But yeah. Put this in the cut. We'll put this in the cut. I don't know. It's clean and it actually go at these. Boy, we finally hit on a pair of dunks from Nike, man. What? A pair of dunks from Nike, bro. I'm shocked too. Trust me, G, I'm shocked too. Nike with these new little pull boxes, and I like it because it got a little adhesive strip, so if you want to ship them on out, you can. You know, I'm coming with an old size 10.5 just in case I decide to hold these things. You know what I'm saying? And we got the Nike Dunk Low Retro White, Black, 10.5. You know what I'm saying? White, black, white, yeah, dot. Not too crazy, bro. Y'all probably should know what these is at this point. Let's get up in now. Ooh. Oh, Roosty Man on the way. Roosty Man on cue.
Rusty.
Yes, sir. You main man. Young Roosty Man in the building. But yeah, bro. We got these dunks. You like these, Roosty?
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna wear them.
You gonna wear them?
Yeah.
I guess I can't sell them now. Rooster said he gonna wear them. I guess I gotta hold them for Rooster to get big enough to rock these joints, though. Black outsole, white midsole, black overlays.
Wow.
We got white panels surrounding the black swoosh. You know what I'm saying? It ain't too fancy, but I think that's why it's reselling. I think that's why it's doing so well, bruh. The wearability of it alone is just white and black. It go with everything. So I think that's why a lot of people are trying to get their hands on it, because it's just simple. White, black shoe. You're getting a close-up look at it, at that toe box. Super clean. Let me move these license out the way, but oh yeah. It's a nice joint. They nice. Let me know, bro. If y'all hit on them, would you keep or sell them? Would you hold them? You know what I'm saying? They for you or the crew, bro. What you gonna do? You gonna get that bread or turn some heads? Yeah, get that bread or turn some heads. Let me know, man. These joints hard. Pretty hard, pretty clean. After I decide what I'm gonna do with them, bro, maybe we'll get on foot off. Matter of fact, if we get 100 likes on this video, we'll do it on foot, bro. I want to go ahead and get 100. Bro, it's so hard to get 100 likes on YouTube. I don't know why the fuck I just said that. But fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm playing. Joints clean, glad I hit. I still ain't decided. Y'all see that insole, white insole with a black Nike in there. You know what I mean? Check out that tongue. Look at that tongue. Get a peek at that tongue. Pretty hard. Cool looking shoe, bro. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. All my OGs, Yankees, day ones, new members like, go ahead and hit that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.